today I have some really exciting news for you, and what I want to tell you is that I have launched my Patreon page. And my Patreon page, I did it so that you guys could get early access to my new upcoming paintings. And this Field of Flowers has been voted on by my subscribers, and I have this painting here that will be done soon, and that was came second. And the eagle, that doesn't look like an eagle to me, it looks like an owl, and this owl came first. So I have the owl already done, but it won't be up until April. So you can have early access to this owl, and you'll get the pattern, and you will get the full video. Like I think it's almost 2 hours long, but you'll get the whole video. You won't have to wait for all the different lessons to come up in April out to May. And this one here will probably be almost June before that one comes out. But you can have these paintings right away. As soon as you go to my Patreon page, for only $1 a month, you can have access to all my upcoming videos, and they're full videos. Some are an hour, some are 2 hours, and ad-free, and I have the patterns here for you, and I have a lot of other perks too. So I'll leave the link to my Patreon page down below, and then you can go in and visit my page, become my Patreon, and then you'll have access to all my paintings.